Yo, what up? What up? Look. So this past weekend, I drove to Cincinnati to see my family, and it was about a 6.5, 7 hour drive. This past Thanksgiving was amazing, and I missed them dearly. Driving back was a little bit rough. It was a little bit longer than 7 hours because of the weather. I endured heavy rain, heavy wind, and heavy fog. It took me about 8 hours to get back, but I made it back safely, and I thought about that drive, and it made me realize that that drive was similar to life. Heavy rain. Driving in that rain, I started hydroplaning, slipping, sliding. So I had to slow down. I mean, it was 70 miles an hour, but I was doing 40. Go around me. Go around me. I'm going to go at my pace to make sure that I arrive safely. There were cars getting in accidents. There were cars pulling over because they didn't know what to do. I slowed down at my pace, and it made me realize that in life, sometimes things will make you get a little bit out of control. And instead of staying at your pace, you should slow down. Gain control. Realize what's going on. Realize your surroundings. What's happening. But never stop. Keep a steady pace and keep going until you reach your goal. Then I endured heavy wind. And it made me realize that in life, things will try to knock you off your path. But you have to get a good grip on what you're doing. Slow down and make sure you stay the course. Never let anything or anyone knock you off your path. And once again, while I was driving home, cars were getting in accidents. Cars are pulling over because they were panicking. I slowed down, focused, and kept going. Then once I got through the wind, I went up through the mountains and endured heavy fog. And similar to life, there are going to be things that block your vision. There are going to be things that you don't see coming. But once again, you need to slow down. Make sure that your vision is clear. And even if you have to squint to see, make sure you know what's ahead of you. Because usually, when your vision gets real cloudy, when things become the toughest, on the opposite side of that is your success. So I drove through the fog, and on the other side of that was clear skies. So through the heavy rain, through the heavy wind, through the heavy fog, through the troubles, the trials, and the tribulations in life, you have to slow down sometimes, gain your composure, and stay a course. Because when things get hard, on the opposite side of that trouble is your success. Trust me. Lee knows.